guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be doing my first unboxing. I'm really excited. This is going to be a special one, so let's get to it. She's so cute. Here she is, my first Loewe bag. Super excited about this one. Fun fact, I actually was looking at it while we were in Paris. But it's funny, sometimes I feel like the bag chooses you, because in Paris I was way more into the brown color, and ever since I saw the puzzle bag, I actually adore the brown bag. And I'm a neutral girl, so that kind of made sense for me. But I couldn't stop thinking about it. So while we were shopping around here back in LA, I came across this one and immediately fell in love. And I feel like it's the perfect bag to actually dress down or dress up. And you'll see why. I've been wanting to get this bag for a long time because every time I see a girl wearing it, I think of it as the most classic and timeless bag, especially for the size. I feel like this is called a small puzzle, but I am a medium-sized kind of girl, which I think this bag applies more to a medium. So, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Little receipt, put it back in there. All right, not to keep you waiting. I swear, this color is so stunning. She is classic and she is very elegant. I love the idea of wearing it just like this as a clutch without the crossbody strap. So like I said, this is the small puzzle bag from Loewe, and it has gold details and it's color gray, which in my opinion, it goes with everything. Black is beautiful too and also goes with everything, but I feel like gray, it's more dynamic than just black. Black sometimes can feel a little bit stiff or too serious, whereas in a dark gray is still as elegant as black, but it's a little bit easier to wear. It comes with a strap. And it's super spacious. Like I said, I'm definitely a medium-sized bag, which this is it. For me, this is the perfect size and the reason why I've been wanting to get this bag for so long. Here she is with a strap. I think she is stunning. I love the little zipper detail in the back too, which is also great. Here's a little Loewe tag. So cute. And here she is, my perfect little dream bag. If you do own one, let me know which color you have, or if you've been dreaming about getting one, let me know which color you're eyeing. I highly recommend the gray, but let me know your thoughts. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Let's keep in touch, and I'll see you in the next one.